Is it? Is it? Is it? Yeah. Oh, it's a barber. Check how he jumped.
Barber jump.
Yeah. I didn't know barbers can jump. Yeah, it's a nice barber also. Not that I want to catch a barber, but barber. Yeah. Come, Daniel, put a net in the water. They slap.
No, not like that. Never like that. Never like that. You put it here. No, hold on. Wait. You hold it inside. You put under. You mustn't go top. You must put under.
You never saw it jump. Daniel, you were right about that lure. You say it's gonna work.
This one.
But you only know how to catch barbers, you mean. Let it sink. Open your bail, let it sink, because you're not. Your bail is closed, so it's coming towards you as it's sinking. Yeah, bring it here. I'll take him out. Yeah. I broke my plastic. See. Wait. Pull him in the mouth. See?
What you got on your spinner?
Spinner.
Now 2 knocks and
You had a knock?
No, I'm saying you.
Oh yeah. But not Daniel. Broke my. It's a lekker barber. Yeah, I... Pass it.
Yeah, that's good. You want it like this,
Bring him around. Yeah.
I got the train visa.
There we go.
Okay, you saw what I'm doing.
Yeah.
It's now worked now. Now I figured it. So what I'm doing is I'm going
Yeah.
and I'm making sure my line drops. Because that means
Yes. On the shell. On the shell. On the shell. First cast with the shell.
just relax.
Yeah, let him fight.
Just relax.
On the shell.
And here you two. That's a nice one.
You. Your lines are.
Yeah.
There's like 3 lines here.
No, I want to get this one.
Oh. Why? Ew. Okay. Put the net in. Oh, it's a nice tiger.
Yeah, that's a nice
Oh.
tiger. Oh,
Yes, man.
yo.
Yes, man.
Oh,
Yeah.
shall.
On the shell. First cast with the shell.
You guys can take a like.
Oh. On.
Huh?
Yeah.
I think I'm on here.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm on here, I think a barber.
Thank you.
Photo, huh?
Yeah. Yo, that's a proper tiger. You must just keep taking, take.
Okay.
Okay. Take about 10, 20 pictures.
Okay.
If you can. Yes. Yeah. Take. As many as possible. Yeah.
There's some other line here.
Okay. You've got enough.
Yeah.
Right.
Some other
Sharp.
line here. or something.
Sharp. GoPro stop recording.
This one,
Huh?
the problem that is too early. Maybe it on the road. It was a nice one.
I must put him back?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Ay! He just jumped.
See if you can get this one out. There's some other line.
Yeah. Hey, maybe we can get my FRG. Oh.
Another line, my line.
Give me, yeah, give me this one here. This one here is mine.
This one?
Yeah, here's your one. Here's your one.
Oh, the one is
Yeah, yeah. Sir, I don't know if you guys want to see here. Maybe if you're. Yeah, but oh, yeah, wait, no, slowly. Yeah. Alright. So just check here. I don't know if this is yours. Just take that line out.
No, this is.
Yeah, but it's fine. Just take it out. You might find a nice. You hit the shell.
Yeah, the shell is the right thing. Instant hookup.
Let's just put a shell on that one.
Put it on you
put
how
it
to
in the
catch
boat.
another fish.
Just put it. Maybe it is just a line.
Yeah, it's
from,
just line.
from other boats.
It's just line.
Just wait. Take that one off. I want you to take that one off.
You guys and your lines laying in the water. Whose line is this? Because now there's other people coming, they're gonna drive over our line.
No, this is the barber.
The deadline. Take it out.
Okay. Yeah,
Take it out.
which one to put there? Just open it. There's one like this. This is what we do here.
Yeah,
So 50 meters this way.
yeah,
Against the ring.
I agree. I agree.
You want to go from here till there. Along the distance.
Yeah. 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 My arm is actually sore now. Yeah.
You're getting a price and it's all the fun.
Yeah. Yeah, no, I'm not complaining. Sharp. Whew. Definitely a tiger. Spoon, the shell. I think it's a tiger. Oh, it's a flippin' barber. Ah, shit. The way it took, I thought. You know that sharp darting? Yeah. It's my friend. Yeah. Hopefully not. Yeah, it's my friend. Hey. Too many of these things, man.